Every massive aluminum cooking pot begins its journey not in a factory, but in a scrapyard. These discarded metals once served a purpose. Now they're ready for rebirth. The first step is careful sorting. Only pure aluminium makes it to the next stage. Advanced magnetic systems ensure total separation from iron and steel. The clean aluminium is then crushed into smaller, melt-ready pieces. This increases surface area, allowing faster and more efficient melting. The shredded aluminium is transported to high-temperature furnaces. Temperatures rise above 660 degrees Celsius, aluminium's melting point. Within seconds, the pot's basic shape is formed. At this stage, solid waste transforms into pure liquid metal. Impurities are carefully removed to ensure strength and food safety. The metal is left to cool and solidify naturally. This is the most critical moment. Precision is everything.
The scalping process shears away the rough cast skin, revealing the flawless, ultra-detailed texture beneath.
Preheating prevents cracking and ensures smooth metal flow. Excess edges are trimmed for balance and safety. Meanwhile, massive molds are prepared to shape the cooking pots. At this stage, the pot is strong, but far from finished. A smooth interior ensures even cooking and easy cleaning. The exterior is polished for both beauty and corrosion resistance. Strong handles are added to support extreme weight. Each pot undergoes intense stress testing. Heat resistance is tested under real cooking conditions. Thousands of pots await distribution worldwide. At this stage, the pot is strong, but far from finished. Thousands of pots await distribution worldwide. Heat resistance is tested under real cooking conditions.